Welcome to Wild Fruit. In today's presentation, we are going to examine Romans 8:37, a verse that encapsulates the believer's assured victory in Christ. Romans 8:37 states, "No, in all these things we are more than conquerors through him who loved us." Let us reflect on the declaration. We are not merely conquerors, but more than conquerors. The Apostle Paul addressed this epistle to the Christians in Rome, many of whom endured persecution and hardship. In the preceding verses, 35 and 36, Paul poses the rhetorical query, "Who shall separate us from the love of Christ?" He enumerates trials such as tribulation, distress, and danger, only to pivot to triumphant assurance in verse 37. First, a conqueror is one who secures victory over an adversary. Second, more than conquerors experience an overwhelming, transformative triumph. Through him who loved us, our victory is neither self-achieved nor partial, but fully realized in the steadfast love of Christ. Permit me to share a brief testimony. During a season marked by professional uncertainty and personal trial, this verse served as a steadfast affirmation. Repeating, "I am more than a conqueror through Christ," instilled confidence and redirected my focus from adversity to divine provision. Commence each day by declaring, "I am more than a conqueror." Commit Romans 8:37 to memory for immediate recollection in trials. Maintain a journal of testimonies evidencing God's work. Share this assurance with those facing difficulties. I invite you to cultivate the confidence that Christ's love imparts. Kindly comment below with a situation in which you require this truth so that we may pray for one another. And to ensure your remembrance, you can go to wildfruitco.com and get this shirt so you can always remember your victory in Christ.